So this Snippets II has pearlescent in it, so it's kind of metallic-y and shiny, and just a nice simple grouping. It's almost like confetti. See the way it kind of goes from the center out. Would you believe there's 15 different screens used to print this design? So really there's 15 different shades of red and other colors in there to make this design. That's both the red and the green. Are nice, they're fun. It almost reminds me of like a New Year's when all the confetti is falling down. So the pearlescent is a pearlescent ink. That's what they use to get the pearl on the fabric. It's like a little special ink that they use. As you could imagine, between the shading of the color and the pearlescent, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck, and you're really getting a great impact and effect at it. Okay, my morning routine. I'm usually up somewhere around between 6:30 and 7. You know, as COVID wears on, I'm getting a little bit lazier, I must admit. But I like to get in a workout first thing in the morning. I go downstairs, either run on the treadmill or do like a little video workout with my wife, or ride a bike or elliptical or something like that to get my day going. Then I usually will shower, have some breakfast, make sure to see the kids, and then I go into my home office and work away. My last job was even more stressful, so that actually definitely helps. So how do I keep myself grounded? So going back to my routine, the workout in the morning definitely helps my cause for sure. That definitely helps. But outside of that, I'm really not having too much stress. It's, you know, just kind of deal with it. We deal with the problems. So, you know, I try to get out. I like to eat. I like to watch TV. I like to watch the stock market. And that's kind of what I do to relieve my stress. Thank you guys so much for watching Fabric Friday. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer in the future, please leave them in the comments. Have a great day. Peace.